How did it appear here?
I don't know. I did not put any money inside this bag.
How did this thing I'm holding appear inside your
I've
bag?
not even touched this bag since
Who
I
has
came
this bag?
It's my own.
So how?
I don't know. I've not even touched this bag since I came back. I've not even touched
Show
the
me,
bag.
show me the leg of this money. Show me.
If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be inevitable, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah. Inevitable, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah. Inevitable, yeah, we could be.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Hi.
So with me here I have Chiamaka. And guys, so today we're going to be unboxing what we have here. Yay!
The ring lights and Google apps.
No, don't worry. This one will be for something else. Yeah. I don't know how I'm going to set this. I come and hold it. So guys, this front. This is the ring light.
I don't
know. Actually, look at him. Okay, guys. So, guys, finally, I unboxed the ring light. This is 18 inches with a closer, camera woman. Okay, guys, so this is 18 inches ring light. I'm going to put it on close here. Yeah, guys.
Wow.
Oh wow! Oh wow! Oh wow! So this is what it is, and we have the battery. This is actually the biggest size of the battery. Very expensive. Like the two of them cost a lot. And this is the mirror that you can use to attach to the ring lights. How do I unbox this one? Oh man, you see in the phone. Yeah, guys, so this is the mirror that came along with the ring light, and that's it. Okay. Then this is okay, the two chargers that I can use to charge the battery. Like this ring light is actually, you can plug the ring light to the electricity, or you can as well decide to use the battery. So this is the battery. Oh man. Yeah, this is how it is. It's two actually. Then this is the cord you can use to charge your light. Okay. This is what you can fix to the tripod stand to actually put your phone or your camera, whichever one you have for your video. And this is the bag. Okay. So this is the tripod stand you use to stand the light. Actually, let's see how it looks like here. Okay, this is it, guys. The stand. Oh man. Ooh. I want to fix this thing. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, guys, this is the stand, and that's it. Yeah? So guys, guys, we'll catch y'all later. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, please like this video, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, so I have a surprise for you. Like today, here, like I'm back in Oyo, but I'll be merging my video I did in Aba with this one, like just a clip of it. So guys, right now I'm in Oyo and Chiamaka came home with me, but right now I've sent her away. Now you know how it works. So guys, I want to do a prank on her, a quick prank on her, because I'm all dressed like I'm going out. I'm going for my CDS, but I'll be putting on mufti today because that was the instruction given that we shouldn't wear our uniform. So guys, I'll be doing just a little prank on her because I'll be going out and my transport fare is inside my bag, of course, but I'll be putting it inside her own bag and I'll be accusing her of stealing my money. But guys, cut the crap out. Like, she doesn't take what does not belong to her and the rest of them. So guys, but it's all a prank. I just want to see her reaction and how she's going to take the, I've never accused her of taking anything that belongs to me. So guys, today is the day I'm going to be accusing her of taking my money, the money I want to use for my transport fare to where I'm going to the zonal office again. So guys, just chill, grab a seat and watch this video till the end because it's gonna be late. Chiamaka na, it's gonna be late. So guys, watch out for her epic reaction. See ya guys. So guys, look how I'm going to hide my camera. Like, so guys, I'm going to adjust this shoe rack towards the side so that I can be able to fix my camera in the shoe rack. She's not going to find out at all because she will not be expecting it. I've never hidden camera there before. So guys, without wasting much of the time. Okay guys, I think she's coming. Guys, she's coming. But she's still talking to somebody outside. She's coming.
It's about to go down.
Since then, I never even see you now. Wow. You don't see me at the go this thing. At the go CVS and I don't do late too. I don't know how I'm going to deal with this. I don't even know which bag to carry.
Carry that one.
I don't want to carry this one. Where's my slipper?
It's outside.
Chere. I'm looking for something.
What? What are you looking for?
Do you take any money from this bag?
No, I did not say any money in your bag. I did not even touch your bag.
My transport fare was inside this bag. Did not touch it.
I did not touch it.
Don't worry, ma, fine.
Ha. Look for it, I did not touch your money.
If to say you don't turn thief for this company, you tell me.
I did not touch it.
I'm very there's no need self looking for anything here because I'm very sure that I left this money right here.
I did not touch the money.
You say you don't collect anything from here.
I did not take anything from your bag.
I kept 1,000 naira inside you. Where is it?
I don't know. I did not see your money.
See, time is against me. Please say the truth.
I did not touch your money. I did not see your money. I did not see it. Check inside your bag. I did not touch your money. And even if you brought out any money this morning to go out,
I did not bring it out. It was there last night.
I did not see your money.
You're going to provide this money today. Okay?
I
I'm
did
not
not
joking
see
with you.
it.
I don't even want to hear stories. Please, I'm running out of time. Where is the money?
I did not see your money.
If I search all these bags here,
Search, I did not touch your money.
wait, I get 2,500 naira inside this bag.
I did not see your money now.
This is paper. It's not money. Where is my money?
I did not see your money.
Say we go now first because you're the only person I'm staying in this place with. Me down here. Face like this. Raise up your hand. Until you tell me where that money is. Where's my king? It's inside the job with you.
I did not see your money.
Wiliaka.
I did not see your money.
I'm very sure that this thing was inside here. And I'm going out. Where is it?
I did not see your money.
How? So how did it now develop legs and it flew away?
Maybe you came to somewhere else and you can't remember. I did not see your money.
You're not sure. Face like this, now they look your face. Where? Face like this, turn. Good. Where is it? Where is it?
I did not see it.
You cannot be saying the truth because this thing was right here.
I don't even know if you kept any money inside
Open
this
it
bag.
and check it by yourself. Open it if you see any money there. Did you see anything?
no money
Or is
inside,
there
I
any
don't
other
know.
invisible zip that's inside this bag? Look at the time. What's the time? Look at the time. I should be out by now. And because of this, I cannot find my transport fare. Where is it? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. In fact, it's not even about raising your hand. Look for it.
I don't know where it is. I've not seen any 1,000 naira.
By yourself. Ngwa, stand up. Be looking for it by yourself. Inside all these bags, you look for it. Chawaya. Chataya. Don't scatter anything there. You know how money looks like. You know how 2,500 naira is. Did you find anything? Look for it. Joya. Look for it. Bring down that bag. Who has that bag that you are touching?
My own.
Bring it down. Bring it down. Bring it down. This money, who has this bag?
It's my bag. I
Loud.
did not put any money
Wait,
inside
who
this
has
bag.
this? Who has this bag?
It's my bag.
How did this money appear inside this bag?
I did not put any money inside my bag.
Okay, he has legs. Does he have? As I'm holding it now, does he have leg? Is this bag my own?
No.
How did this thing enter here from my bag?
I did not put any money inside this bag.
You have to explain it now because it was inside here. And now only you get this bag, now only they carry and I know they carry the bag.
I did not put any money inside this bag.
Okay, you're still lying to me,
I'm
bag.
not lying. I did not put any money inside this bag.
Kneel down. Kneel down first until you say the truth.
I did not put any money inside this bag.
It's not about shedding crocodile tears. So you have turned into a thief. But I don't condone stealing. I don't condone stealing inside this place. You can do anything. You can even fight outside. So long as you win them. If you fight outside and they beat you, I'll still beat you. But if you fight outside and you win them, no problem. But I'm not saying you should fight too. But then, I'm just trying to say that you can do any other thing and I'll condone you. Not stealing. And
I
of all
did
things,
not take your money.
you don't take what?
I did not take it. I
How
did not put it inside
did they
here.
appear inside here? Raise your hand. Show me your hand first. Raise your hand.
I did not take any money.
When you lie this kind of lie, sef, it's just the pepper me for body because this thing is right here. It was found inside here. How?
I don't know. I did not put any money inside this bag.
Church. So my mother gave birth to a thief. Ekwa. See, do you know what they do to thieves in Nigeria? You know, jungle justice bar. If they don't hand you over to the police, you are even, in fact, you are even lucky that they stopped all those things. If not, just tire where they go, put tire like this, carry you, put inside there, pour fuel on you, burn you live and direct, and I will not cry you. Because if you do this thing, if to say this place no be my, if to say I'm not your sister, and you do this thing outside, do you know what they're going to do to you? Do you know what 1,000 naira is?
I did not take your money.
when you're saying this thing, I don't even know where to start from. How did it appear here?
I don't know. I did not put any money inside this bag.
How did this thing I'm holding appear inside your
I've
bag?
not even touched this bag since
Who
I
has
came
this
back.
bag?
It's my own.
So how?
I don't know. I've not even touched this bag since I came back. I've not even touched
Show
this bag.
me the leg of this money. Show me. Show me now. Show me.
I don't know. I do not see any leg.
So how? Oh yeah, show me the wings. Does he have wings?
No.
And I know hear you. Does he have wings?
No.
So how?
I don't know.
Show me your hand.
I did not take any money.
Show me your hand. Obey before instruction. You know how we roll. Obey. Your hand. It's a prank.
Nah!
Who is the prank queen now? No. Who is the prank queen? See my camera. Guess where my camera. You can never find this place because this place I never hide them there before.
Where is it?
Guess where the camera is? Oh Lord, sweet Jesus.
Where is the camera? There's no camera. There's no camera there.
Look inside that shoe rack.
Jesus!
Ha. Let me go get my camera, boo. Hoo. So guys, this was an epic prank. Like, I told her I'm the prank queen, and she thinks I the lie. She don't weak. She don't already begin to cry. Stand up, Joe. I don't have strength to bend down. She don't already begin to cry. I did not touch your money. I did not touch your money. Oh man. So for your mind now, see my money now. I put it inside her bag. She does not know that's how you roll. Oh, let me put that now. I put it inside her bag so that I'll prank her really hard. She's even lucky that I'm going out. If not, wait till I for do I'm safe. What I was planning on doing in this prank, but due to I'm running out of time too because I'm actually really going somewhere. Like I said earlier in the intro. So guys, thank you for watching this video to the end. What? She don't weak, you know? She don't know what she's gonna talk again. Tell them to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh yeah.
Like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.
Peace.
If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be a negative goal, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah. Negative goal, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah. Negative